astronaut.
Let's trace A. Start in the middle, go around, then go pull down. Awesome! You got this!
B is for ball, butterfly, banana, boat, bear.
Now it's time for B. Let's trace B. Start at the top, pull down. Then go around like a circle.
Hooray! You made it!
Let's
C is for cat, car, cake, cloud, crab.
Let's trace C. Start at the top, pull back and curve around.
Hooray! You did it! D is for dog, drum, duck, dolphin, door.
Now it's time for D. Ho ho, D is here. Start at the top, pull down, then go around. Excellent work!
E is for elephant, egg, engine, earth, eagle.
Now it's time for E. Let's trace E. Start in the middle, go across, then curve around. Super!
F is for fish, fire, frog, flower, fan.
Fantastic! Let's try F. Start at the top, curve down and around. Then cross in the middle. Woohoo!
G is for giraffe, grapes, guitar, goose, gift.
Let's trace G. Go around, curve down, below the line and hook back. Very good.
H is for hat, horse, helicopter, house, heart.
Let's trace A. Pull down, then go up halfway. Nice.
I is for ice cream, igloo, insect, island, ink.
Now it's time for I. Let's trace I. Pull down, then dot it on top. Woohoo!
J is for jellyfish, jump, jacket,
for J. Let's trace J. Pull down and curve under. Then dot it on top. Fantastic!
K is for kite, kangaroo, key, king, koala.
Let's trace K. Start at the top. Pull down. Then pull down, slant in, and slant out.
Pull down,
Keep it up.
L is for lion, lemon, lamp, ladder, leaf.
Fantastic! Let's try L. Start at the top. Pull down. Woohoo!
M is for monkey, moon, mango, mouse, magnet.
Let's trace some. Pull down, then bump, and bump again. Marvelous!
N is for nest, nose, nut, notebook, net.
Let's trace it in! Pull down, then bump just once. Nice!
O is for orange, octopus, owl, ocean, onion.
Now it's time for L. Let's trace L. Start from the top, pull back, curve around, and close. Wow, so cool!
P is for parrot, pineapple, pencil, plane, panda.
Let's trace P. Pull down, then bump. Curve around. Awesome!
Q is for queen, quilt, quail, question, quiet.
Let's trace Q. Go around, bump. Pull down, then bump.
R is for rainbow, rocket, rabbit, rose, rain.
Now it's time for I. Let's trace it. Start at the top, pull down, then bump. Then curve a bump. Marvelous!
S is for sun, star, snake, ship, socks.
curve around and curve up, down, pull back.
Wow, so cool. T is for tiger, train, tree, turtle, table.
Let's trace T. Start at the top, pull down. Then make a small line across. Nice.
U is for umbrella, under, unicorn, up, uniform.
Let's trace U. Pull down, curve around and pull down. Awesome!
V is for violin, van, volcano, vest, vegetables.
It's time for Vivi. Let's trace Viv. Flant down, then flant down.
Wow, so cool. W is for watermelon, whale, watch, window, wagon.
Now it's Trun of W and it is like double divvy. Plant down, plant up, plant down, and plant up again.
X is for xylophone, X-ray, Xbox, X marks, Xmas tree.
Music. Draw a diagonal line down, then another crossing it. Very good.
Y is for yo-yo, yellow, yacht, yak, yogurt.
Let's trace Y. Plant down in and pull down. Awesome, you got this.
Z is for zebra, zoo, zip, zero, zucchini.
Last, zigzag your way to the finish. Across the top, slant down and across the bottom. Wow, wonderful, do you?